If you're looking to restore the shine and cleanliness of your floors, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll cover the best tile floor cleaning machines to help you tackle dirt, grime, and tough stains effortlessly.
Number 1. Bissell Tile Floor Cleaner. If you're searching for a convenient and effective way to keep your tile floors spotless, the Bissell Tile Floor Cleaner is an excellent option to consider. Designed with ease of use in mind, this powerful corded spin mop takes the hard work out of scrubbing floors. One of its standout features is the set of reusable, long-lasting mop pads that do the scrubbing for you, which not only saves time, but also cuts down on replacement costs. It's safe to use on sealed hard floors, including wood, tile, linoleum, and more, making it a versatile cleaning tool for the entire house. Whether you're dealing with everyday dirt or tough, sticky messes, this mop powers through without breaking a sweat. The Bissell Tile Floor Cleaner also features an on-demand spray function, allowing you to dispense the cleaning solution with just a push of a button. This targeted spray makes it easy to tackle stubborn stains and problem areas without wasting formula on spots that don't need it. Maneuverability is another strong point of this model, thanks to its lightweight design and swivel steering, which allows you to easily clean around furniture, baseboards, and other tight areas. The package comes complete with 6 reusable mop pads and 3 trial-size cleaning solutions, giving you everything you need for up to 6 full cleaning sessions right out of the box. This is especially convenient for new users who want to test its performance without additional purchases. Not only does it make cleaning tile floors a breeze, but it's also environmentally friendly due to the reusable pads and precise spray control, reducing waste and excess chemical use. In short, the Bissell Tile Floor Cleaner delivers excellent performance, thoughtful features, and user-friendly design in one package. It's perfect for homeowners who want spotless tile floors with minimal effort, making it a practical, reliable addition to your home cleaning lineup. Number 2. Hhhq Tile Floor Cleaner. When it comes to tackling stuck-on stains and daily messes on tile floors, the Hhhq Tile Floor Cleaner stands out as a highly capable cleaning machine. What makes this model so appealing is its combination of powerful steam performance and rotating pads, which work together to deliver up to 3 times better stain removal compared to traditional steam mops. This dynamic duo ensures that even the toughest messes don't stand a chance. The addition of a steam blaster feature offers an extra burst of targeted steam at the push of a button, making it easy to loosen and lift stubborn grime from grout lines and tile surfaces. Ease of use is another highlight, with rotating pads providing over 150 scrubs per minute, effectively doing the hard work for you while maintaining a smooth, effortless glide. The Hhhq Tile Floor Cleaner is equipped with an intuitive body user interface and fingertip controls, allowing you to effortlessly switch between cleaning modes and activate the steam blaster when needed. It comes with 3 steam modes: light for quick cleanups, normal for everyday messes, and deep for those heavy-duty jobs. Bright LED headlights on the cleaning head reveal hidden dirt and debris, ensuring nothing is missed as you move across your floors. Designed for versatility, this model is safe for use on all sealed hard floors, including hardwood, marble, tile, stone, laminate, and vinyl. Whether you're deep cleaning the kitchen or freshening up your bathroom, it delivers consistent, professional-level results. Overall, the Hhhq Tile Floor Cleaner offers a smart balance of power, control, and convenience, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking to simplify their floor cleaning routine without sacrificing performance. Number 3. Oric Tile Floor Cleaner. For those in need of a commercial-grade cleaning machine that can handle more than just tile, the Oric Tile Floor Cleaner is a smart, multi-purpose choice. Its impressive versatility allows you to clean, sand, refinish, strip, wax, scrub, and polish a variety of flooring surfaces, making it one of the most well-rounded machines on the market. Beyond tile floors, it's also effective on hardwood, concrete, grout, and even carpets. One of the standout features of this model is its brush head, which rotates in a random orbital pattern. This unique movement glides smoothly over floors, preventing unsightly brush marks, swirls, or sanding lines, which can be a common issue with traditional scrubbers. When it comes to carpet cleaning, the Oric Tile Floor Cleaner dry cleans without leaving behind any soapy or sticky residue. This not only prevents dirt from quickly reattracting, but also helps extend the life of your carpet. Its compact size and lightweight build make it an ideal solution for tight spaces like bathrooms, under sinks, and small kitchens. In addition to scrubbing and cleaning tile, it buffs and polishes hardwood floors to a satisfying sheen and even tackles oil stains on concrete surfaces. With its commercial-grade durability and reliable performance, this machine is perfect for homeowners looking to achieve professional quality results without hiring outside help. The Oric Tile Floor Cleaner is easy to maneuver and built to last, making it a worthy investment for those who want a single machine capable of handling multiple floor care tasks throughout their home.
Number 4. Hoover Tile Floor Cleaner. The Hoover Tile Floor Cleaner, also known as the FloorMate Deluxe, is a lightweight yet powerful hard floor cleaner designed to simplify your tile floor maintenance routine. Its standout feature is the dual wash and dry modes, which allow you to activate the brushes for a deep clean while simultaneously suctioning up dirty water. When you're ready to dry your floors, simply switch to dry mode to stop the brushes and quickly pick up excess water, reducing drying time significantly. The inclusion of spin scrub brushes ensures a gentle yet thorough clean, safely scrubbing sealed hardwood, tile, laminate, and vinyl floors without risk of damage. You can easily switch between cleaning modes using the convenient fingertip control, giving you total command over your cleaning process. Another practical feature is the dual tank technology that separates clean and dirty water, ensuring you never spread contaminated water back onto your floors. This feature alone enhances the overall hygiene and effectiveness of your cleaning sessions. Pairing this cleaner with Hoover's specialty cleaning solutions ensures a bright, refreshed home after each use. Compact and lightweight, the Hoover Tile Floor Cleaner is easy to store and maneuver, making it suitable for both large open areas and tight corners. For homeowners seeking a dependable and versatile hard floor cleaner that's easy to use and delivers professional-level results, this model is an excellent, well-rounded choice. Number 5. Hhq Tile Floor Cleaner. If you need a heavy-duty machine that can handle both residential and commercial cleaning tasks, the Hhq Tile Floor Cleaner is a top contender. This comprehensive cleaning kit includes an orbital floor buffer and scrubber machine, 2 polishing and stripping pads, 3 scrub brushes, a microfiber carpet bonnet, and a pad holder, providing everything you need for deep cleaning projects. Its commercial-grade design is perfect for tackling tile, grout, hardwood, vinyl, concrete, marble, travertine, and more. The powerful 1.5 HP ECM motor runs at adjustable speeds from 175 to 2000 RPM, allowing you to choose the optimal speed for the task at hand. It's also compatible with Oric orbiter pads and brushes, adding to its versatility. For homeowners or business owners who need a powerful, reliable, and adaptable floor cleaner for demanding jobs, the Hhq Tile Floor Cleaner delivers impressive results on a wide variety of surfaces, making it a solid long-term investment. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.